manager whose major role was just handing off the ball. He's now transformed into the leader of what, well, in recent years has been one of the most potent air attacks in the NFL. Aaron Andrews sat down with the Steelers quarterback to discuss overcoming injury and what lies ahead for the Steelers in the second half of the season. Than to bring in the legendary Hall of Famer, Howie Long. So, Howie, I went to Minnesota a few weeks ago. So they're 5-0. We're comparing them to the 85 Bears. You know, there's all this talk. And then the last 3 games, looks like they've lost their swagger a little bit. What's going on with this team defensively? Well,
I think part of it has to do with the offense.
Yeah, I think they need to. Obviously, they're losing winnable games. Their kicker's not kicking well, helping them out.
That's
the 2015 NFL draft will be featured in games today on Fox. So with that in mind, it's time for Field Pass. So let's go with the number 2 overall pick. Excuse me. We're going to actually start with Jameis Winston, number 1 overall pick. He has 17 passing touchdowns this year. What makes him so?
He could control the clock.
Very good point. We are less than 30 minutes away from Ford Fox NFL Sunday. So like we do every week, let's welcome in the guys from next door. Terry, you look like a lawyer with that legal pad.
He ain't fooling nobody.
Oh, boy. He ain't fooling nobody. That's great.
What are you studying? What are you studying?
Horses. Close it was. So we show you the final points again post-race. Where was Matt Kenseth, who just moments before was locked in? He ends up minus 19. Matt Kenseth is out. Who's in? Kyle Busch gets in by points, and here's Joey Logano now at the top of the board. So let's hear from all the guys involved in that late crash that decided those final 2 spots.